So this should be fun. I'm gonna attempt to replace this bearing and this bearing. And I don't know what we're doing. So yeah, this should be fun. I think the next step is to arrange the new bearings to match the old bearings. So I matched them up and put them on the floor. They're different. They need to be in the right way. So I've decided to pull the rear drive shaft. I marked it, and I've got a T40 that should be able to fit in here and get this just right, but we'll see. What I didn't notice was we got 3 sets of these things. So I'm just gonna start at my mark and put the first one, and then the second will be up here to here, where that one is. And the last one will be back here. Not sure what those are for, but I'm gonna put them back the way. So I got my bolts out, and I gotta separate this thing. I'm kind of wondering where to separate it from. I used a small screwdriver and a hammer to kind of tweak in between here, nothing moved. Then I used a larger hammer and just hit here, and now this is separating, so that's where it will separate from. But I had to use almost a half sledgehammer. So replacing the bearings on the drive shaft is a whole fiasco because even the dealership can't press these things off. Now bearing you could press off easy enough, but you've got to pull this off and press that part out or something with that. I'm not really sure how that works out. Same thing with this one. This one is actually a good bearing, so yay for that. But I mean, since I have both, I would have replaced them. But I don't know how to press these things out. If there's nuts or bolts holding that stuff in there. It's covered by rubber booty, but I might make this one an example just to show. So if I ever have to replace again. But I ended up buying a whole drive shaft for $1,200 and slap that puppy right in. So yay, money, it's nothing, right?